Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from Beads Inc. I got a mystery box today. They reached out and said, hey, we want to send you some stuff, and so you can create with it. I'm like, yeah. So I'm so excited. I don't really know what's in here. I told them what I liked, but I love everything on their site, so it's going to be fun no matter what. Here we go. Thank you. They have like such great branding. They put stickers on. Look, they write handwritten notes. We cannot wait to see what you create, Beads Inc. team. And then they include stickers. Oh, there's a new sticker. Oh my gosh. Very important, beader. I love that. You've really done it this time. That is so cute. I love that. I love their whole vibe. So, we've got some yummy looking bead burritos here. I don't know what to open first. All right, so okay, this one. Just pick one, Brett. All right. It's like Christmas, but better. Oh my gosh, what's going on in here? Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh. Look at these. 12 millimeter clear glass briolette. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. They're so clear they kind of look like quartz. Wow, those are beautiful. Oh, I don't know what I want to do with that, but actually I think those would really look good with what they sent them with. In this little burrito, bead burrito, we have these are Mark II. Aqua polymer cylinder. That's awesome. I've seen these, but I don't have any yet. Well, I do now, but I didn't have any yet. And they're polymer clay, but they're a really cool shape. And they sent me my favorite color, aqua turquoise. And then look, very cool, different colors. I really haven't seen this color mix before, and it kind of is giving me like retro Turkey Day vibes, doesn't it? With the hot orange with the brown, but or like really cozy vintage sweater. I love that. That's really pretty. I'm loving those colors together. And then what do we have here? Pewter is it, does it say quatrefoil? I think so. But I love that they hand wrote them. These are cute. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are like, they look very ethnic, very like Indonesian or African or something. I love them. Oh, these are wonderful. Those are really cool. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the next burrito. And just reminder that they always have free shipping on US orders. That is like so hard to find these days. And they also told me that they have they have a 25% off discount for orders over $250. So I think that's pretty amazing too. And if you didn't know, there's a coupon code just for my Brittany's Beads group on Facebook. So if you're not a member, join in. We'd love to have you. Oh my gosh, look, this is like so on trend for Pantone. Look at these. Oh my gosh, they're so gorgeous. What do we have? 10 millimeter pearlized acrylic. These are wonderful. They're like that moon glow. These remind me of those vintage like mother of pearl buttons because you get that glow on them. They're gorgeous. Love them. And they're lightweight. They're not going to weigh you down, especially if you want to do a nice big statement necklace. Oh, this one's sparkly right there. I don't know if you can see the sparkles. We have lavender dyed jade. Lovely. Sometimes purple can get a little plum or mauve-y, but this is like a beautiful lavender. These are gorgeous. We have some crystals. Oh, I can see a really nice bracelet stack with these. 8 millimeter glacier glitter crystal. So they're like a gray with a nice luster on them. Gorgeous. And then, oh, what are these? 4 millimeter gray mother of pearl Hishis. Oh, these are gorgeous. I love that they sent like pearl or mother of pearl and the something to accent it. I don't think I have any gray mother of pearl. Those are gorgeous. I can see using these as a spacer for something. Those are really nice. And then okay, it's hard to find 8 millimeter polymer Heishi beads, but they seem to have like a really good mix of them. And this one's called Petal, and it's a really pale purple. I don't know if you can tell against this blue mat, but it is purple, like a lilac. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love that little burrito, like looked so nice together. And then let's see what's in this one. Oh my, what's going on here? So we have 10 millimeter tawny suede, 3 feet. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh, I'm thinking a wrap bracelet with this. Oh my goodness, it's so soft. It's gonna feel so nice against your skin, but it's not going anywhere. You're not gonna rip it. That's so wonderful. It's such a cool color. Okay, what do we have next? We have some chain, 8 millimeter matte gunmetal cable chain. Oh my goodness. Now this isn't a color I use too much, and it's not because I don't like it. It's just because I don't think about it. And I don't know why, because I have a ton of like gunmetal stuff, not as much as silver or gold, but I love the look of gunmetal with gold. So maybe we can incorporate that. And I like how this is matte. I'm loving this matte. That's wonderful. Paper clip, 11 millimeter distressed silver paper clip. Oh my gosh. This looks really nice. My friend Deb, I think she uses a lot of nice paperclip chain, and I'm always jealous because I never know where to get it. But now I know where to get it. You can get it from Bead Inc. So that's really pretty. I love it. I love it. And then, oh, we have another one of these, a plated pewter quatrefoil pendant. So beautiful. I love it. And then we have some organic flowers in a coin flower coins. These are wonderful. They're like a nice antique brassy gold. I love, like, these have good hand feel, and I love the noise. Give you a little bead ASMR. I love them. Those are really cute. These look really nice with this chain. My brain is moving. My brain is moving. And then we have a silver saucer pack. I love these. Gorgeous. They look like, I don't know if these are African, but they look like it. They're hollow on the inside. We have some 5 millimeter silver pewter hearts. Oh, I just used some hearts on a bracelet, and these are even smaller. They're so cute. So if you're into more dainty jewelry, these are teeny tiny. Really cute. And then we've got some clasps. So these are silver, simple toggles, shiny silver. We know I love a toggle. Sometimes it just calls for a very simple closure. Silver swivel lobster claw clasp. So this moves around. That's kind of cool. So we can make either like a keychain or a pendant that you can like use this and then hook your pendant on and take it off. You know, removable pendants. I think that would be really cool. Those are nice. I don't think I have anything like that. Oh my goodness, more. We have 10 millimeter smoke suede 3 feet. Just makes me so happy. It feels so nice. All right, now I definitely have to plan something with some of this or some of the tawny. I don't know. I got to think about it. These are wonderful. And then, oh, we have some little butterflies in 2 different styles. So we have antique brass and gold pewter butterflies. So let's open these up. These are so sweet. I just see cute little earrings with these, cute little drop earrings with these. Adorable. And then little tiny butterflies. I don't think I've seen this shape before in these tiny beads. Oh my gosh, so cute. And the hole is drilled up and down that way. Those are adorable. Then we've got a distressed gold toggle, a couple of them. These are larger. I love that. These are great for like big like statement pieces or big tribal pieces. Gorgeous. So it'd be like that. Lovely. And then the last thing in this little bead burrito is the gold brass bicone, which you know I love, love, love these. Oh my gosh, these are like some of my absolute favorite beads. And I love using these as focals or using these to segment pieces on a necklace, like if you have two strands going into one, using this as the transition piece. I love that. But we could also use these as a focal on a necklace, like use a bunch of them. That would be really, really yummy. My goodness, I can't pick favorites. So let's see what's in this box, or this burrito over here. Oh, I'm seeing African, so I guess I can pick favorites. I did say that I really liked, these teal sand cast beads, and it's so funny, I didn't know they had these. They call them Fruit Loops, and they're also called Ashanti beads. I didn't know they had them, and I actually had them in my cart somewhere else. And I was like, no, I'd rather get them from Beads Inc. because I really enjoy shopping with them. This is really, I just love them. I did that teal African necklace, and these would have come in real handy. So maybe something else that'll be worthy of these. This is really gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have some polka dot, what are these called? Dotted bone chiclets. Oh, that's a cute name. These are so cute. I've been saying over and over, dots are in for 2022. I've been buying a lot of dot stuff, and I'm just seeing it everywhere, and I love it. And look how beautiful these are together with these. And wait for it. This. I'm seeing something come together in my mind's eye. I love them. And then we have cream bone chiclets. Those are gorgeous too. That goes really well. The cool thing about these they're really great for home decor too. You just stick them in a vase or hanging out of a bowl. There you go. Easy peasy. Oh my gosh. And I love these Java beads. So they call this one Sylvan Stripe Indonesian glass. So these are also known as gooseberries. In some places they call them Java glass. So I just love the stripes. I love the randomness of these, and I love the sage color going on here. Oh my gosh, I have so many projects in my brain for these things. Plus I still have tons of stuff from those bead kits, and I have just a bunch of stuff that I bought like in 2020 from them. So I've got my brain working. Ooh, 8mm matte spearmint agate. These are awesome. I love matte beads. I'm just loving like the whole earthy vibe going on in this pack. And then we have more. I'm gonna say that says Ilford, but I could be so wrong about that. Stripe Indonesian glass. So this is like a very dark army green, and with some beige and white stripes. I love those. Gorgeous. And then we have two more strands. We have these 5mm natural brown Hishis. They are shell. Really pretty. Really pretty. I like these two together. Looks a little beachy. And then last but certainly not least, we have black and white polymer beryl. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize until I read that these were polymer. I thought these were African beads. I thought they were glass. And I can feel that they're polymer, but I actually just thought they were matte. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize that they had these. These are really, really cool. I cannot wait to create with this amazing assortment that Beads Inc. sent. So if you are interested in anything you saw here, I think there's quite a bit going on. I'm going to put a link to their website, and you can go back through and see what the names were if you need to. They have a really great search engine on their site. Again, check my Bead group for an exclusive coupon code and free shipping on all US orders. And then if you order $250, you get 25% off, which is awesome. So, oh my gosh, I don't know if I have favorites. I'm going to have to say these two, the dots and the teal, and then, oh, absolutely the bicones. And then I really, really loved this leather, which is just gorgeous. I'm already scheming in my brain, like, what are we going to make? And, oh my gosh, there was so much of these clear glass brios and the pewter quatrefoil charms. So, oh my gosh, I want to make like 16 things. So we're going to be seeing at least one, if not more, tutorials using these beautiful items. Thank you so much to Beads Inc. Please like, subscribe, and share. Let me know what your favorite thing was, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Goldie. Goldie. Are you ignoring me?